Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart's weekend haul for you. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the pow. Definitely take a second to subscribe. Also make sure you smile like much pretty girl. And of course, don't forget to hype your girl up. Just wanted to remind you guys to go over to check it out with Michelle. Her channel was hacked, which is hell for any content creator, YouTuber. And so she started a new channel because it's a headache getting your channel back from YouTube, especially when you're locked out of it, right? And so in the meantime, she started a new channel. So definitely go over. I'll link her in the description and subscribe to her new channel, all right? So that being said, we're here for Walmart. This is my weekend haul for you. I think I need 15 offers for $5. We also have a larger bonus, and I think I need 50 for 10 for that. I think that one runs until the end of this month, the 29th. And so I'm hoping that if the deals are dealing, I can knock that out as well. And so in the comments, let me know what did you guys get for your bonuses. I do have some deals we're gonna try today, see if they work out. I will be trying a couple more deals on Be Frugal as well. It worked out for me last time. I got the points. I think I got the points awarded the same day that I submitted the receipt, if my remembrance is on point. So we're gonna see how it works out again. With that being said, we're gonna head to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can get in today. If you want to see what your girl got earrings to do, hit the like button. Keep on watching, and don't forget to hype your girl out. Hype your girl up. Alright, so this first deal is on the Gatorade lower sugar. This store finally carry it. Like, there's only been one store that carry it. And look what I found. I found some BOGO TerraPad hang tag situations. And look when they expire. On my 50th birthday. Could that just, it's the universe saying, Shay, hey boo. Hey boo. So look, I'm going to grab two of them priced at $178. I'm going to use one of these little hang tag situations here. I'll pay $178, but I'll get back $178 on Ibotta, which is 89 cents for each one, making them both free. Limit of 4 on Ibotta, so I'm going to go ahead and grab 4 of them. So now let me go see if I can find the 6-pack. Ooh, they even have a spot for them. They tripping. I know they tripping. Yeah, these don't go here. That's for the splash something of another. Because we know that's not right. Those are supposed to be here. So we're going to grab one price at $5.24. I was going to use the IP, but I think I'm going to go ahead and just submit to one of the sister apps. Preferably one that I'm close to cashing out on, getting back $1. Would bring this down to $1.74 for a 6-pack. All right, so next up is the Life Cider. They are priced at $2.08 for this. You want to grab 3 of them. You'll pay $6.24, getting back $1.97 on Ibotta, which is I think it's a buy 3 get 1 free. And then there's also a free offer on aisle for $2.08. It'll bring them down to 73 cents each. The other thing that my store doesn't carry is called Sky Pop. It's a protein water. I don't have a price point for it, but there is a free offer on aisle. I'll have it linked. I'll pin a comment and link it for you. All right, next up is the 3 Wishes. If you've tried this cereal, let me know, did you like it? Because I feel like it's not going to be good. And although I really want to try it, because, I'm trying to be on this little health kick, but I feel like I'm not going to like it. And I don't want to waste the whole box of cereal if I don't like it. But anyways, so I'm going to grab this deal again. I think 2 of you guys used my referral link for this, for aisle. And so I'm going to grab 2 of them priced at $6.64. That total is going to come to $13.88. We'll get back a buy 1 get 1 free offer for aisle. I have it linked in the Google Doc or description. It'll be linked somewhere for a buy 1 get 1 free offer. We also have $3 back from each on Ibotta. It'll bring them down to only 47 cents each. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do this deal again on the Downy Wrinkle Release. The Aqua Rain one is priced at $5.68, getting back $4 on Fetch Reward. It'll make it kind of sort of like $168. And so, yeah. All right. Doesn't look like they carry the Suavitel refreshers at this store. It's priced at what? So it looks like it's priced at $4.47. 2 of them is going to be $8.94. Gonna try my luck on Be Frugal again. Getting back $6.21 for 2. $1.10 on checkout 51 would make them 81 cents each. And so Yeah. All right, so I only have one more coupon left. It's a Knox on the Airwick. Gonna grab one priced at $3.97. Coupon's gonna bring it down to 97 cents. Getting back 50 cents on Ibotta would make it 47 cents right there because it's kind of rare that I get that to happen. So anyway, so Fabuloso's priced at $3.97. I have one for both flavors, the lemon as well as the lavender one. So I'm gonna grab one of each. Getting back the price of the item plus $2 will make them a $4 moneymaker total, which is so awesome. I'm so sad they don't have any. I was gonna grab the Finish 11 count is priced at $4.94. We have a $3 coupon on coupons.com. You would pay $1.94, getting back to one. I bought a limit of 3. Would make it a 6-cent moneymaker. So we don't carry this item in our area at all. It's on the Armorall diffuser. There's an offer for the device, and then there's also a offer for the refills. All right, so it looks like the device is priced at $19.97. Then we have $12 back for Walmart rewards, would make it $7.97. And then the refills are priced at $5.97. And the offer back for that is $6. So it would make that free, plus a 3-cent moneymaker if you can find it in your area. All right, so I'm going to be grabbing the gum. Soft picks again, price at $2.96, getting back $2 on checkout 51 and $2 on probably inbox dollars, maybe making this $8.04 moneymaker. So my store finally restocked on the Extreme 5. It's priced at $6.78. I'm gonna be using this $4 Knox right here. That'll bring that total down to $2.78. I'll get back $3 on Ibotta, making it a 22-cent moneymaker with a limit of 3. I think I'm gonna do the Dove Crumble hand soap again, priced at $3.97. I'll be grabbing 2 of them. I'll end up paying $7.94. The kicks on Shopkick went down to 600 kick, which is $2.40 times 2, and then we'll get back $1.50 for buying 2 on Fetch, makes them 82 cents each. This deal here is on the Swagbucks. I think I said it right because I feel like I'd be wanting to say some other stuff. Anyway, listen, so I'm gonna go ahead and do another Be Frugal offer. And so I'm gonna be trying one of these priced at $11.97. Getting back $5.78 on Be Frugal. We have $3 back on Ibotta and 3 on checkout 51. We'll make it 19 cents. We also have a spin offer on Fetch. It's spin 15, get back 3. So hopefully if it resets, I can do it again. This deal here is on the Claritin, which I need. So it's priced at $9.97. We have offers on Ibotta for 3. Checkout 51 is 3, and then one of the sister apps is 3. We'll make that 97 cents. It's on the Colgate. The sensitive one is priced at $4.96. We have $1 back on Ibotta. I think it was $3 before. Now it's $1, but we also have an offer on one of the sister apps for $3 as well. So it would make this only 96 cents. All right, so here is my complete haul for today. This worked out really good. Like I think I only had one, but that was like human error. It was all me. I'm the human. I got the Swarovski hair dye on the wrong transaction. I thought she voided it off, but she didn't. So I ended up having to go back to self-checkout, get the item, and return it. Of course, by then I was already at Panera Bread. So I had to go back. I already had submitted the receipt for my points. It still picked up the hair dye. I don't even think I clicked it, but it picked it up anyways. But it's not bad. Well, obviously it's not bad, but I didn't have the Gatorade on there. So it's kind of like I made it $2 extra basically, because I repurchased it with the Suavitel so I could submit that receipt to Be Frugal, which it processed it. Well, it's still in review, but it looks like everything is a-okay with that, which is cool. All the coupons that I used today scanned: Finish, Airwick, razors, and the BOGO on the Gatorade. All scanned fine. Let me show you my receipts really fast. I only have 3 receipts. Focus, man. Is it focused or my eyes? Maybe my eyes need to focus. Focus, eyes. There it goes. All right, so there goes the first receipt right there. This is the one I got the hair dye with and realized I did it with the wrong transaction. And then, yeah, I returned it and I repurchased it. This one here is the second transaction that I did. And then I had to go to a second store to do this one because the first store doesn't carry the Suavitel. And I got the, what is it called? The finish from there as well. And I was happy they actually had some. But yeah, all my coupons scanned perfectly fine today, which is cool. So with that being said, everything that you see here retails $121.19. I had $27.56 in coupons. It brought the out of pocket down to $93.63. And then I walk away with $38.56 for my Ibotta. Beef Frugal is $11.99. Field Agents $11.94. Checkout 51, $9.10. Aisle is $6.64. Best Reward $5.50. My Points $5. Last but not least was Shopkick with $4.80. Getting back a total of $93.53. Nets everything here at 10 cents. I could have cashed out for PayPal, but I said, you know what, I must just wait until like I need it, and then I'll cash out. So maybe I'll cash out on my next haul. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button on the door. I want to see, is there a cinnamon emoji? Let me see a cinnamon emoji in the comments if there is one. If there isn't one, just give me a happy face emoji. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.